Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we will talk about how one can get latest version of AutoCAD 2025 for free for 1 year. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna open my internet browser. Now I'm gonna type Autodesk Student. After typing Autodesk Student, here you will get this link. Just click on it, or else I'm gonna provide you this link in the description of this video. From there also you can reach to this page. Now let's click here on Get Products and then click on Get Started. Now first of all, here what we need to do is we need to create our account. So here what we need to do is we need to enter our official email ID from our school or university. If in case you do not have, then you can also enter your Gmail ID. So what we need to do here is we need to provide my Gmail ID. And then what we need to do here is we need to click here on I agree, and then we need to fill up this form. So let's fill up this form. Provide your school information. Then click on continue. If your university have already purchased Autodesk for you, then probably you will see that you have received access. Else we need to confirm our eligibility using educational institution credential, and that's how you will able to create this account. If you want to see sign up process in more detail, then I'm gonna also attach another video in the description of this one. Now let's click here on sign in. Now I'm gonna enter my email address. And let's hit enter. Now here I'm gonna provide my password. And there we go. Here we can see all the softwares that we can access. We have got Fusion, Revit, AutoCAD for Windows and AutoCAD for Mac. You can also see other popular software, for example Inventor Professional, Maya and AutoCAD Lite version. And all these softwares you can download and use for free for 1 year. Now let me click here on AutoCAD as I wanted to download AutoCAD 2025. Now let me click here on install, accept the terms and condition, and there we go. Now let's open the setup file, and here we can see the process of installation has begun. Now let's wait for a while. Now here you can define where you want to install AutoCAD. In case you want to install it to somewhere else, you can either create folder or can select drive. In my case, I would like to keep it as it is, so I'm not going to change the path. Now let's click here on install. And there we go, we can see the process of installation has begun. Now let's wait for a while till the installation process get completed. And there we go. It seems that we reached to the final stage, and then this restart sometime is optional. So I can click here on not now, and let's click here on finish. As I said that the restart is optional. Now let me press menu button here and let's type AutoCAD. And there we go. So first of all, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pin this AutoCAD 2025 icon to my taskbar so that I can directly access it anytime. Now let me click here on this, and it's totally up to you if you want to keep it here. Now I just clicked on it, and that's how we can see here AutoCAD 2025 is starting for the first time. Now here AutoCAD is asking us to make default application to open DWG file. If you want to do that, you can keep it always associate, or it probably may come to you or not. Now again, here we need to click on sign in with your Autodesk ID. And now enter the same email address with whom we have created account in Autodesk. Now let's click on next. Now enter your password. And there we go. Here I can see my name. And now we need to click here on go to product. And here also now we can see I am successfully logged in. And now in this way the Autodesk app is ready to get started. So let's click here on new to start new drawing. And in this way guys, we can successfully install latest version of AutoCAD 2025 in our system. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Preterm to follow more such tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.